Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. Today's video is about how to make ocean theme resin work on a tray. Please watch the video till the end and please do subscribe. This is the bicycle home decor which I really love. So thought to make over this piece with resin. First apply a coat of gesso and allow it to dry completely. I have painted the trays with ultramarine blue followed by primary blue and then followed by turquoise blue. Merge the colors well so that it gives a look of an ocean effect. For the sand portion, I have painted with yellow ochre. Once you've painted, allow it to dry completely. I am using art resin. Art resin is good for coating purpose. Mix the resin and hardener in the ratio 1:1 by volume. Mix it slowly, otherwise it may tend to form lot of bubbles. Take some sand and add some resin and mix well. I have collected the sand from the seashore. If the grains of the sand are small, it will not be good for resin work. So always ensure that the grains are quite big. Pour the resin into 3 cups and add the pigments. Here I have used ultramarine blue, primary blue and turquoise blue. and in a small cup I've used white pigment. First pour ultramarine blue followed by primary blue and then followed by turquoise blue, and merge the colors with the help of plastic or silicone stick. Pour some clear resin near the sand area and then pour white pigment near the sand area and wherever there is a change of color from dark blue to light blue. Now using hair dryer, slowly push the white color so that you get wave formation. Immediately add second layer of white pigment and repeat the process. Once you're done, run the gas torch on the wave portion so that you get some lacing effect and also to get rid of the bubbles. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe. Please click on the subscribe button and then hit on this bell icon so that whenever I post any videos, you'll be notified with a message.